Hey up, it's Yellow here. Brought to you by Pikachu, Detective Pikachu. Today's show, everything yellow. We got a Zelda for the DX. What? Link's Awakening DX for the Game Boy. How exciting. You ever said to yourself, I'm going to look after things, and then you find them stuffed in a drawer? I got to look after these. I bought these like new and I bent this one. Amiga Format presents the XCAD and free Amiga answers. So yeah, they're going in a special place along with the others when I find them. Otherwise they'll get creased and bent and stuff. And I'm saying, the reason I'm saying that is because I was looking through a biscuit, you know, I stuff all sorts of things inside biscuit tins. So I found the actual disc. So XCAD, Flight of the Amazon Queen, Comic Setter, that is a book somewhere, ProDraw 3, Octomед 6, I didn't even know. So you buy these things off Trade Me, and you don't even know what you got. These are, okay, these are my own discs from my childhood. Bubber and Sticks, ATR, Shoot 'em Up Special, Road Rash, that's not one of mine. That was never one of mine. Personal Paint 6.1. I've got some Playmobil. I mean, because I've just bought a Pentium PC with a floppy disk drive, so I can get all my bit on the side PD software, which you can't get online. I can ADF that collection, and of course I bought some software called SoundQuest, and I have no idea what it is. So when I get my computer, I'm going to buy that program through Amiga Forever that uses 2 floppy drives to copy from one disk to the other. So that'll be a tutorial or a special episode or something like that. Of course, my own Bars and Pipes Pro 2 Junior. Alright, so enough of that. Enough of the past. Look into the future and beyond. What could be in here? Well, I know what's in here. I don't know. Oh no, don't open it like that. Be careful. Ugh. Be very careful. He's packed it in a very solid piece of cardboard. That's why it's so heavy. Yeah, I'm going to get one of these a week. Until I've bought all this stock. I'm paying second hand the price I paid brand new back in the day in the shop. Like an LGR episode. Bubble wrap. Alright, now, careful. You don't want to cut the magazine, that's for sure. Help. Just don't go too far down with the scissors. We should leave it in there. Oh my gosh, it's still, oh no. You just stuck it in a thing. Isn't that awesome? Amiga Power Super Stardust. It's like in mint condition. Just like I used to keep these magazines, but some of them got destroyed by water. So we got, no, it's still in mint condition. It's like it's brand new. Somebody else like me out there that keeps these on a shelf. It's a bit crinkled. So we got, what do we get with it? Our Assault, I was playing that last night. I hate the CD32, oh no, I figured it out. The CD32 version, it's got this long intro and I didn't know what button to push to skip the intro, and it got annoying by the third game, so then I figured it out. Okay, right, stupid. Theme Park, and Rough and Tumble, and of course my favourite game, next to Bubber and Sticks, Here's Bubble and Squeak. So, wow. Put them up there. And I think it in there. That will live with my wireless NES controller. Still got to do an episode on that. So what do we got? Still like brand new. I should, yeah, no, I'm getting one a week. I hope he doesn't sell out or sell them all. Theme Park, Terrasol, Rough and Tumble. Theme Park, Terrasol. Party Squad, Bubble and Squeak, Empire Soccer on the Ball, Stunt Car Racer. All the best games. Fields of Glory. High Seas Trader. Cannon Fodder, the official playing guide. Don't be the cannon fodder, beat the game. There's only one way to beat cannon fodder, that's to die and die and die. Super Stardust, okay. Alright. A review, it gets 89%. And Rough and Tumble gets 88%. Oh, Jet Strike, yeah. How to pick up girls. That's important. £12.95p. You can get yourself a girlfriend. Mission Impossible. Impossible Mission, I should say. Heimdall 2. Complete Control. Oh, and I always remember this. I always read these to find the worst game. Something worse than Pugsy. What's Pugsy on? 12%? Oh yeah, Rise of the Robots, whatever it is. I don't want to bend the pages, you dork. Mr. Nuts gets 4 stars. Pugsy. Pugsy, here we go. 1 star. Amiga Power 36, 40%. Pugsy? Crapsy more like. Thanks for watching my trying to figure out the camera episode. I'm building a rig to film these top down. So cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.